Provide. Meaning of provide. The verb provide means to supply or make available something that is needed or required. It can refer to offering resources, services, information, or support to someone or something. Sample tenses. Here are examples of provide used in different contexts. We present tense. The organization provides financial assistance to low-income families. Past tense. She provided the necessary documents for the application. Future tense. They will provide training for all new employees next month. Summary. Provide involves supplying or making available what is necessary or desired. Local. Meaning of local. The term local is an adjective that refers to something related to a specific area, community, or place, often implying proximity or belonging to a particular locale. It can describe people, businesses, services, or issues that are relevant to a certain geographic region. Sample tenses. Here are examples of local used in different contexts. Present tense. The local shop sells fresh produce from nearby farms. Past tense. They supported local artists during the exhibition last year. Future tense. The community will host a local festival next month. Summary. Local denotes a connection to a specific place or community. Purchase. Meaning of purchase. The verb purchase means to buy something, typically by paying money in exchange for a good or service. It can refer to both the act of buying as well as the item that has been bought. Sample tenses. Here are examples of purchase used in different contexts. Present tense. I often purchase my groceries online. Past tense. She purchased a new laptop last week. Future tense. They will purchase a new car soon. Summary. Purchase involves the action of buying something. Opening. Meaning of opening. The noun opening refers to a gap, space, or opportunity. It can denote the act of starting something, such as an event, business, or career path. In a different context, it can refer to a physical entrance or a specific time when something becomes available. Sample tenses. Here are examples of opening used in different contexts. Present tense. The opening of the new restaurant has attracted many customers. Past tense. They celebrated the opening of the art exhibit last month. Future tense. The company will announce the opening of several new positions next week. Summary. Opening can refer to both a physical space and the beginning of an event or opportunity. Construction. Meaning of construction. Construction refers to the process of building or assembling infrastructure, such as buildings, roads, bridges, and other structures. It can also refer to the industry involved in this process and can include planning, design, and execution. Sample tenses. Here are examples of construction used in different contexts. Present tense. The construction of the new school will begin next month. Past tense. The construction team completed the project ahead of schedule. Future tense. They will announce the construction plans for the new highway next week. Summary. Construction pertains to the process and industry of building structures or infrastructure. Tour. Meaning of tour. A tour is a journey or trip made for pleasure, exploration, or education, typically involving visits to various locations of interest. It can be organized for individuals or groups and may include guided activities. Sample tenses. Here are examples of tour used in different contexts. Present tense. They're taking a tour of the historic district today. Past tense. We toured the ancient ruins during our vacation last year. Future tense. She will tour the new art museum next weekend. Summary. Tour describes a travel experience to explore or enjoy different places. Research. Meaning of research. Research is a systematic process of investigation aimed at discovering new information or reaching new understandings on a specific topic. It involves gathering data, analyzing findings, and drawing conclusions to expand knowledge. Sample tenses. Here are examples of research used in different contexts. Present tense. She conducts research on environmental sustainability. Past tense. They researched various methods to improve efficiency. Future tense. He will begin research on the effects of climate change next semester. Summary. Research refers to the structured exploration and study of topics to generate new insights. Attend. Meaning of attend. The verb attend means to be present at an event, meeting, or gathering. It involves participating in or witnessing an occasion by being physically or virtually present. Sample tenses. Here are examples of attend used in different contexts. Present tense. She attends weekly team meetings without fail. Past tense. He attended the conference last year and gained valuable insights. Future tense. They will attend the wedding ceremony this weekend. Summary. Attend refers to the act of being present at an event or activity. Delivery. Meaning of delivery. Delivery refers to the process of transporting goods or services from one location to another. It can also refer to the act of presenting or conveying information, messages, or performances. Sample tenses. Here are examples of delivery used in different contexts. Present tense. The company offers free delivery for all online purchases. Past tense. The delivery arrived at the customer's doorstep yesterday. Future tense. They will arrange for the delivery of the new furniture next week. Summary. Delivery involves transporting or conveying items, services, or information. Recently. Meaning of recently. Recently is an adverb that refers to a time not long ago, indicating that an action or event has occurred in the near past. It is often used to describe events that have happened within a short time frame from the present. Sample tenses. Here are examples of recently used in different contexts. Present perfect tense. She has recently started a new job in marketing. Past simple tense. I recently visited the new art gallery in town. Present continuous tense. They are recently working on a project that addresses climate change. Summary. Recently refers to actions or events that have occurred in the near past. Here's a quiz using the provided vocabulary words for learning. Vocabulary quiz. Choose the correct word from the options provided to complete each sentence. The company will a new product line next month. A. Deliver. B. Provide. C. Attend. The project is expected to be completed by the end of the year. A. Local. B. Construction. C. Research. Many people prefer to their groceries from local stores instead of online. A. Tour. B. Purchase. C. Recently. She was invited to the conference next week. A. Attend. B. Open. C. Deliver. The new community center is set for Saturday. A. Delivery. B. Opening. C. Construction. We need to conduct to gather more information about consumer preferences. A. Research. B. Provide. C. Tour. The restaurant serves dishes made from locally sourced ingredients. A. Local. B. Recently. C. Attend. The new furniture is scheduled for tomorrow. A. Purchase. B. Delivery. C. Tour. She has started her new job and is enjoying it so far. A. Recently. B. Attend. C. Open. The travel agency will provide a guided of the historic district. A. Tour. B. Construction. C. Delivery. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support on this learning journey. Remember, the key to improving your vocabulary is practice.